Quando non mi faccio? Aspetta, wow. Donkey. Hello, welcome. Hi, how are you? Welcome.
You speak English?
No, this is Go for it. We're going to do landing with final runway 27. Your mail, lemon. We're at 3 miles final, so we're going to make a landing from this position. Okay? So this is called the side stick. You can hold it with your left hand. Yes. Hold it like that. Yes. Yes. Okay. So I disconnect autopilot. Okay. So the idea is to put this square at the intersection of the cross. Okay.
The idea is to put?
This square at the intersection of the cross. So we keep that.
500. 300.
So we're approaching to land now.
On va essayer, on va essayer bientôt.
200. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 500 above.
We're on ground. Oh no. So we can apply brakes, okay? Hold on to something because we're going to stop.
Frankly, we are very happy that you visit us. It's your home, it's your airline. Thank you for flying Ethiopian always.
Keep flying Ethiopian.
Yeah,
You are
I love
our
you.
family.
Okay.
We are very happy to have you here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.